Congratulations, Carl. Lovely. Hope the record does very well.
Thank you.
And this is a nice little wedding present from ATV, because we know that he's getting married tomorrow, 11:30. Yes. And we also know that you are marrying Sue Anson from Crossroads.
That's correct.
Yes, and I'll tell you something else. Register office is just round corner at Studios. They'll all be there, cousin. So all the very best, Carl, to you and yours truly. Every success.
May I say both Sue and I thank everyone most sincerely. That's marvellous. Thank you.
Lovely.
Thank you.
Cheers, Flower. Well, this is it. It's jackpot time, so over to we go for jackpot. Now then, Roy, are you all right, my old Flower?
Yes, thank you,
right,
sir.
jackpot, 200 quid. You know exactly where you've got to hit the target? Just look around you there. Hands point to the exact spot. Right, you've got it. On to your bow, my friend. Up you get. We're going to wish you the very best of luck indeed. And I will say, belly the boat, if you please, and you have 20 seconds starting from now. Quickly. Oh, a fraction, Anne. A fraction. See you again then, Roy. Go with Anne. Well, that's it for this week. See you all again next week when we'll have Lena Savaroni, Michael Ward, Golden Partner Kerry Jewell, plus Carol Dilworth and Alton Douglas. And of course, it's the last of the present series, so please look in and see this special golden shot. Good night, God bless. Ta-ra, my flowers.